So you wake up and you have day 4 hair, and it looks like this. What do you do? Don't fret. I have 4 go-to styles that I do when I have day 4 hair, and it's looking like this. Stretched out, but I still have curly and defined ends. So watch me go from this to... So I'm going to start my first style, which is going to be my rendition of a mohawk. So I like to use my comb to pick out my hair to make it full and voluminous, so that my mohawk can pretty much have life. It usually takes me only like 6 hairpins to get that style together. And you just fit into your liking. You know, some people like theirs more wide, some people like theirs more slender. Me, I like to be in the middle, like not too wide, not too slender. And that's just what I do on that. You always have the option to go in and modify, you know, have sleeker edges. But because this is just a quick look tutorial, I'm not gonna go through and actually like gel my edges and everything. So next up for style number 2 is going to be my bangs with a high puff. I don't actually have bangs, so I'm just going to leave out my front pieces. If your hair has been picked to the max, by the time you try to do this, you can always use a bobby pin to pin down the bang pieces that you would like. I like to pick out my hair as much as possible. Like I said, I love for my hair to be voluminous, and this is perfect for day 3 or 4 hair because you've already picked it a lot. You've already messed with it enough. There's enough frizz for it to be full. So just take your desired hair tie, and you want to make sure you separate your bang pieces from the back puff. Go ahead and wrap that around and then tighten up the puff part to your desired height as well as width. Some people like theirs to be super wide, some people like theirs to be more slender, so it's just up to you for you to go ahead and customize that to your liking. I had to do a quick close-up just to show you how good that twist out is still lasting. If you didn't see my last video, go check that out where I did this twist out. Now my hair looks a little bit cray-cray. This third style is going to be my curly bun. So like I said, I like to pick my hair to the max because I want the desired height for my bun. You want the roots to be more sleek. So like I said, I just picked that as much as possible, but as long as the ends are still really curly. For this one, I am going to go ahead and use my Cantu as well as my Eco Styler on my edges, only because to show off this look, I can't have trash edges. So I'm going to go ahead and sleek that down before I start the actual style. So you're going to go ahead and take your desired hair tie again. I like to work with a big headband and then just twist it and tighten it to the desired width that I want for my bun. So for this one, I have to use, this one is more loose, so I have to do it at least 3 times around. After that 3rd time, I go ahead and pretty much mold and spread my hair evenly around in a circle. So it's kind of like going to be a curly donut bun. However, I don't have like a sock in there. I'm just going to wing it and pretty much tuck it to my desired like. So I'm gonna go ahead and quickly do something to my edges. Like I said, I'm trying to serve a look. My edges didn't come out as good as I wanted, so you get the idea, you get the gist. Lastly, to complete my style, I did pull out little temple pieces. Since my hair has gotten longer, my temple pieces are like super long, but I still won't let it go because I think they're so cute. So I add a little bit of water and I add some Cantu, and then I just finger coil it and let it just curl up and dry for little cute curls on the side. And you know, that part is optional. You don't have to put those little curls out. You can just leave it in the bun. Now this last style is my second favorite go-to style, and that is my pick puffs. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part it down the middle. Sometimes I use my finger, other times I might use a comb, but even with a comb it's still kind of crooked, so but I will go ahead and use a comb for you guys and try to get it as straight as possible. So I just part it down the middle. I use 2 rubber bands for this, and just go ahead and put it into pick puffs. I was making those weird faces, you guys, while putting on those rubber bands because I was just so afraid that they were gonna pop. I have so much hair now, and so like me styling my hair has been put away for wigs for like a long time, so I haven't really dealt with my natural hair in like a while. So it is a lot. I have so much more hair now. I did still leave out my little temple curls to add a little added cute effect, and that's it on this style. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video.